My name is Corey. I'm natural. I have been natural for 29 years, but I've been growing my hair out for a year. The reason why I wanted to grow my hair out was because I wanted a different experience in quarantine. I couldn't travel anywhere, so I figured, you know, by changing my hair, I'd probably get like a little bit different experience. I've never done it before, so, you know, I was just curious. My go-to hairstyle has been the cornrows, like the four big cornrows, kind of like Kawhi Leonard or Nipsey Hussle. I do not believe I'm tender-headed. Hair challenges that I have is just I don't know a lot right now. So when I first started, my hair was a little bit itchy at first. I didn't know why that was happening. You know, just kind of taking care of it. You know, you gotta be aware of it. So like when you shower, when you sleep, it's a little bit more than like just having a haircut. So that's been a challenge to start.
So Corey, we are really happy to have you here, and we can't wait to get started.
Let's get it.
Happy
Welcome
Monday.
to Meech Monday, you guys. My name is Michelle.
And I'm Jonathan, and we're the co-founders of Miche Beauty.
This is our weekly Monday live where we show you guys how to get your healthiest hair. If your hair is dry, it's dehydrated, you're just not sure what products to use, we're gonna show you guys today with our live hair demo.
Hey guys, I'm Tiffany, owner of Beware Cosmetology in Bowie, Maryland. My Instagram handle is B_WARE_cosmetology, and on Facebook it's B_ware cosmetology. Warm water just to break down because we used a lot of edge control to get the braids.
Okay, good.
So just making sure to rinse that out.
We're following up with our Cleanse Sulfate-Free shampoo. You guys are familiar with this one. This is a more gentle shampoo. It does clean very well. And this is more so if you...
Say it again, bro.
That smells good too.
Man.
This is more so like if you are working out more frequently and you need to go in like, you know, every other day or every 3 days or 4 days. So it's more gentle and moisturizing. So this is when you would use Cleanse.
Yeah.
Yeah, and as you guys can see, as we're starting to rinse, look at the curl definition. It's really coming to life because now the old product, dirt, debris is washed off.
Claps and Dr. Jonathan, y'all are funny.
That's Esquire.
Oh man, here we go.
Don't get me started.